Guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're old about goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I take pictures at home. And I actually took some pictures with Milani and Makai, some family pictures. So I wanted to show you guys how I did that. And I also did a little bit of organizing, which you guys will see, and I also showed you guys some stuff from the PO box. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get straight into this video.
Boy.
So this closet right here is just where we keep extra stuff, and this closet is a mess. Okay, I have all of Milani's stuff. There's boxes of diapers. There's so much stuff in this closet. This closet is where I keep my extra hair stuff, whether curling iron, flat iron. I also keep the kids' diapers in here because we like to keep a good amount of diapers in the house. And also where I keep my school items, bag, books, extra pencils, extra pens and stuff. And I also have my Christmas tree in this closet, and this is where my husband keeps his shoes that he goes to the gym in and shoes that he wear all the time. So I really need to fix this closet. This 3-tier storage bin that I have. I keep my excess hair stuff, so curling iron, wigs, weaves, braiding hair. I also keep dye, developer, and stuff like that in that 3-tier bin, and I'm just organizing it. It's already organized to a certain point. As you can see, there's a label on there, and sometimes I just go in here and just move things around and don't put them back in the right spot. So I'm just putting them back in the right spot now and fixing them up and taking stuff from out of bags that I haven't opened and organizing it, reorganizing, because this is not very bad because it's already organized to a point. Now I'm getting my dustpan and my broom, and this is my Christmas tree. All I'm doing is retaping this because it wouldn't stay closed, so it was making it harder for me to store. So yeah, next I'm gonna take all the stuff out this closet and just start organizing. And the rest is self-explanatory. I'm just going to be moving stuff around and organizing it. And I got this new storage bin I got from Amazon, and this is where I put took their diapers out the boxes and put them on this storage bin. It's tall enough and it's wide enough where I can put their whole box of diapers on this thing. So I'm really happy about that because the boxes were taking up too much space in our closet. And that is just a thing to bathe Milani in when she gets a little bit older and she can't bathe in the sink anymore. So yeah. This is my excess fridge organizers that I got from Amazon. They come in a pack of 8, and I only used 4 in the fridge, so I have those excess. I'm gonna find somewhere in the kitchen to put them. And this right here is where I keep Kai and Milani's clothes that I have no intentions of ever giving away, or these are souvenir that I intend for them to have forever, and I keep those there. And I have some shoes in here too also that I need to get rid of, but just do a quick PO box unboxing. Whoever sent this, I don't know why it was sent. It was actually sent to our PO box, and this is a planter. So if you're the one that sent it, please email me or something, because I don't know what this is exactly for. This is for Beba. If somebody sent, this is what? Elderberry.
Come, let's go take off that. Change back. Why you have your mommy take off that? Change back.
And then somebody else.
Change back.
Saying this is Naturally Shirley Organics.
Boom, boom. Boom. Boom, papa, boom. Darky. Let's a darky baby.
And she sent the Naturally Shirley's Golden Glow Facial Oil. And this has infused with turmeric, vitamin C for smooth, vibrant, and blemish-free skin. Then, oh, and let me show. See how it looks. I hope it's focusing. And then this is the Naturally Shirley Max Hair Growth Oil, made with 100% organic and homemade oils. This is how it looks. And then the Revitalizing Herbal Clay Powder Hair Detox, and this is made with bentonite clay, healing minerals, a mixture of powders for hair growth. And this is how it looks. She actually have an ecstasy website. I'll link it in the description box, and she also have a Facebook. I didn't see an Instagram for her. Oh yeah, she do have an IG. She have a Shopify, I should say. She have a Facebook, IG, and YouTube, and this is where you can find her. I wish you did say this at tea good for babe.
What?
This here.
That no pump man anything man. Order it
You're like, she never said no such thing. I don't remember what she said this was for. I think it's to boost your immune system. So this is a changing mat from Minilogy. It's pretty pink. Whoever sent this, I'm sure they sent it from Milani, so thank you very much. I will be putting it in her diaper bag when I wash it. And whoever sent this, please contact us, because I don't know what this is for at all. No business card, no instructions, no nothing. So let me put these away off the table. And thank you to everybody that sent us something. I always like featuring whatever we get in the PO box in at least one of our one of my videos. So thank you very much. I'm gonna be using these hair stuff. Yeah. So I wanted to take some picture in our backyard because our backyard is pretty nice. It's pretty big. We have some gorgeous flowers in our backyard, and I just wanted to do something nice for myself, get dressed, do my makeup, get slayed, okay? And that is exactly what I did this day. Milani was in the room sleeping, and we would vice versa go in and check on her, and Kai was just outside chilling with his phone watching Baby Bum, and I was taking pictures with their dad. So this is the first clip, and honestly I literally don't like how a lot of these pictures came out. I guess I'm self-conscious about my body because I just had a baby and whatever, so I didn't really like how these one came out, but nonetheless I enjoy. I actually really enjoy taking pictures. And look at my hair, baby. My hair is laid, okay? When I say laid, I mean laid. And this is a $30 lace front from Amazon. Laid. Who can tell me that this is a $30 lace front, and it's synthetic also? So yeah, I didn't really use much of these pictures. I have my content pre-planned for Instagram, so you'll see pictures of this segment right here, but they're not going to be a lot because I didn't like how they came. And I actually stood up, put on some heels, and took some pictures right here, and I actually like those, and those are the ones that I'm going to be using. Yeah.
Hi. You good, Pops? Come. Where are you going to change? Go on now.
So I went in and changed, and if you watch my recent Boohoo haul, you would have seen this set. This is from Boohoo. This is kind of like my Netflix and chill outfit with husband. He likes it a lot. I think it's a cute color also. I would never wear this outside my household, so yeah, because it's super thin, and outside was hot as hell. Okay, I was sweating. When I mean sweating, I mean sweat in. Outside was hot as hell, but I still was making it do. Okay, make it do what it do at this point, because I already did my makeup here and everything, so I got to get it done. And if you see a black thing under my clothes, it's my undergarment to shape my body. Okay, shape my body, because your girl is not snatched. It hasn't even been 2 months yet since I had Milani, so we need to get there. I'm taking my time, but I still wanted to take pictures. Okay, my husband knows all my angles. He's a great photographer. He's an amazing photographer. And also I need to put this in here because even though I'm self-conscious about my body right now because I just had a baby, My husband always makes me feel really, really beautiful and sexy and amazing, and shout out to him every time I'm telling him I need to lose weight. He's like, no babe, I need to enjoy this thickness. So thank you very much, babe, for always making me feel beautiful and sexy and woman. I like I appreciate it a lot. So I went inside and Milani was up, so I said might as well take some family pictures. So I got her dressed and I also got Kai dressed and I tried to take some pictures. If you
Up. You okay?
come Papa, you know I take picture.
Invited everyone. What about Mademoiselle
Kai.
If your child is like mine, Kai don't sit still for nobody, no time at all. What do you guys do with your kids when you're trying to take a picture of them? I normally try to bribe Kai with candy or sweets or cheese chips or something, but I didn't have any sweets or cheese chips in the house this day, so I tried to use my phone to take the pictures. I got a few good pictures, but when he grows up and asks me why I don't have any pictures of him, I'm gonna show him these clips, okay, of why I don't have any pictures of him, because he won't stay still. Come in the comment section and tell me, what do you guys do to get your kids to stay still for pictures? Because Kai, oh my god. So that is the end of today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and make sure you check out my Instagram, because this is where all of the dope pictures that babe took of me will be. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one, and I hope you enjoyed. Deuces.